This is literally one of my favorite things to do on vocals, and it takes a few seconds. Check this out. So what I've got here is a singular vocal. Sounds something like this.
I love the way my body's moving to the beat. I love the way you're slowly getting close to me.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an audio effect called LFO, and I'm going to add that here to the audio track. And then I'm going to add an instance of little alter boy. I'm going to automate the modulation of this formant. So if you right click on this little triangle on the bottom here, you'll see that you have all the possible modulations. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on map. We're going to click on formant. So it's going to be dutifully moving the formant left and right, just as we've specified, as you can see there and as you can see down here. It's a little bit too much, so we're going to rein it down here. We're going to reduce the amount to about, say, 10%. It's still going to be a little bit much because it's moving quite fast, and that's because the shape of the LFO is quite extreme. So we're going to just reduce that rate, so just flatten it a little bit so it's moving a lot less. Let's just take a listen now.
I love the way my body's moving to the beat. I love the way you're slowly getting
Let's take a listen to it in the
me.
context of the song.
I feel your breath around me, no, I'm not discreet. I need you, I'm not afraid to turn up the heat. Swallow me up, breathe.
This is without the LFO.
Closer, into me.
Obviously, we can increase it a little bit.
Body's moving to the beat. I love the way you're slowly getting close to me.
Now, if you don't have Little Alter Boy, there's another way you can do it, but you need to have Ableton Live 12. It's a plugin that comes with Ableton Live 12 called Auto Shift, which is a vocal mangler just as well. But what you can do here is you can do the same thing. You can see here there's a formant, so we can just map the amount here to this formant. It won't sound exactly the same because there's other things going on in it, but you can get a similar sound. Take a listen.
I love the way my body's moving to the beat. I love the way you're slowly getting close to me. I feel your breath around me, no, I'm not discreet.
Let's choose the high range here.
I need you, I'm not afraid to turn up the heat.
So yeah, there you go. You've got a few options there, but it's a really super cool trick that I like to use quite often to add a bit of shape and dynamism to the vocal.